We've got the unboxing for the DeWalt FlexVolt DCS577 T1. This is a Home Depot Black Friday deal. It was normally it's like 400 bucks, but down to 250. And Makita's got a really good deal right now too, where you get 250, you get their hypoid saw, but you also get an additional tool with the Makita. Unfortunately, with the DeWalt, you just get the saw and the battery. But I have a circular saw like this, a worm drive saw with a cord. I've got a Skill Saw Mag 77, but I've been thinking about the DeWalt, so I wanted to kind of do a little unboxing, see what we got, and then probably, I don't know, if this is as good as everyone says it is, then I'll just switch over to the cordless full time and get rid of the corded one. Comes with a bag. Those are always kind of, I don't know how useful they are. Instruction manual, DCS577. So I think the part where it says 577 T1 is like the kit that it comes with. And the next thing in here is the charger. This is the DCB1106 charger. Oh, it's a 6 amp charger. And that was another thing that kind of confused me about this, because they call this a 2 amp battery. So I wanted to see exactly how big the battery is in this guy. So I guess they're sealing these batteries up pretty good these days. So it's a big battery with some extra secure Ziploc style plastic around it. So this is a DeWalt FlexVolt 20 volt max, 60 volt max, 6 amp hour battery. Online it says it's 2 amp hours, so it's a little confusing. I think it's 2 amp hours at 20 volts and then 6 amp hours at 60 volts, but it is the big battery. Got that, and then the last thing will be the saw itself. Here's the saw, and then in the bottom they do include a saw blade. It's already got the arbor cut out in the middle, the diamond for the worm drive. So it's a 7 1/4 24th tooth DeWalt saw blade, and then here's the actual saw. So it's the FlexVolt brushless. The model number on the saw is hard to find, but it's right in the front. DCS577. There it is. It's heavy. It's about as heavy as the Skill Saw without the battery. So that's about how heavy it feels. So I think when you add the battery, have a knife on hand when you do this, because there's tape on everything. Child-proof. Cut!
Yeah, see, maybe we have to push the button with this.
There we go, yeah. It's not child-proof, it's actually idiot-proof. So you gotta get the tape off so the button can depress. See, does it come with a charge? It comes with a one, you can't see it because of the sunlight, but it comes with one green light, and it just slides in here like this. And then you have to depress this thing. This trigger gets either depressed this way, or this way. There's no blade in it. So It feels pretty heavy. It feels heavier than the Skill Saw Mag 77. You can search to figure out how heavy it is, but you know, it's a worm drive saw. So, but it does have a an inches scale along the side here. It goes from 0 to 7 inches, and then on the top up here they actually have a 0, 1, and a 1, 2, and 3 to tell you that your 1, 2, or 3 inches is the width of your rip. So that's kind of helpful that the Skill Saw doesn't have that. Positive stop at, looks like 22.5 degrees. Another one at 45 degrees. And then it fully locks out at 53 degrees. 45, 22.5. So, and then this is nice across the side. Tells you in inches how far your drop is. So anywhere from 0, 1.5 inch, or I'm sorry, 1/2 inch, 1.5 inch, or 2 inches. Other than that, oh, you got the button to change the blade is right here, and then the blade tool is right here on the side, not underneath as you usually see. Raptor hook, kind of nice and wide. So it looks like there's a wide space here for 2x material. Yeah, that's about a, I don't know, you could maybe fit, you can get a 2x, maybe a, I don't know, you can really only fit 2 inches in there, and then up here this is your standard 1.5 inches. So I guess this is really designed to kind of set the rafter up like that. I don't know if let me get some wood. 2x6. So the rafter's coming down like this. Sits like that. So I don't know, the extra width here doesn't really allow a bigger or a double rafter. It just, I think the clearance for the motor housing. We'll do some tests on this saw and then report on the tests. So.